Today we're going to talk about Envato Elements, an all-in-one platform for creatives of all levels, from beginners to professionals. Like many creators, I initially purchased an Envato Elements subscription because of its low price and a huge library. The price of Envato Elements is $33 for a monthly subscription and $198 for an annual one, which comes down to just $16.50 per month. Now, not many people know that, but if you're a student, you can get a subscription for $11.50 per month. All you have to do to get this discount is verify your student email address on the subscription page. Envato Elements subscription grants unlimited access to all assets in the library, like stock footage, motion graphics, music, sound effects, graphic templates, photos, fonts, and so much more. There is also an impressive library of video templates, including After Effects, Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, Apple Motion, recently added DaVinci Resolve, and thousands of WordPress themes and plugins. There are literally millions of assets to choose from, so running out of content is not something that I ever have to worry about. At first, it may seem a bit confusing, and even though in reality it's very simple, there are a few important things that you do need to know about. You have to license every asset that you are planning to use in your projects. This process is straightforward and takes just a few clicks. Before you download an asset, you have an option to license it right away, or download it without the license in case you are not sure if you will use it. To start licensing your assets, you'll need to log into your account and navigate to the License tab. There you'll see a list of all of your assets. Clicking on an asset will take you to its license page. You need to relicense items for every project, and that's the part that many people don't like, because in order for you to continue using items in new projects, you need to keep your subscription active. However, everything that you download and license whilst your subscription is active is yours to keep forever. You just can't reuse the items in future projects if you cancel your subscription. Envato Elements website claims that they offer unlimited downloads, but is it really true? Their policy indicates that you must only download items if you intend to use them. So even though the downloads are really unlimited, you cannot share your account with other people, use any bots to download content, and should respect the fair use policy, which clearly states that you can't have a stockpile of assets, and you can only license items for ongoing projects. So basically, while the downloads are unlimited, the licensing of assets is limited to your personal workload at the current moment. All the assets in the Envato Elements library are royalty-free. This means that you can use them in your personal and commercial projects. I use Envato Elements for all of my projects, and for my clients as well. Another common question is whether you can use Envato Elements on platforms like YouTube and TikTok, and the answer is yes, absolutely, yes, you certainly can. The only restriction is that you are not allowed to use music for streaming on YouTube, Facebook, and other live streaming platforms, or for broadcast and television. You can also sell products that you create using Envato Elements, such as t-shirts, if you add value to the item by customizing it or incorporating it into a larger design. So basically, you can sell your work as long as the original files you downloaded are not the end product, nor can they be extracted from the end product. The same rules apply to physical products that you create, and digital ones that you sell on platforms like Fiverr, or to your clients. And what happens if you decide to cancel your Envato Elements subscription? Well, first of all, you can do it at any time. Your account will remain active until the end of the current billing period, and you will continue to have access to all content. Envato Elements generally does not offer refunds. However, if you are not satisfied with your purchase, you may be able to request a refund within 14 days of the date of purchase, but the chances of you getting it are slim to none, unless required by applicable laws. For instance, if you just say that you couldn't find the content that you needed, you obviously won't get a refund. Envato Elements is always updating and improving based on user feedback. They added an AI search function to help find assets easily, and improve music quality and search filters after users complained. They even introduced AI image generation through AI Labs, although it's still in beta and paused. For me, Envato Elements is the best service for stock footage, images, music, and video templates. And if I want a new font, or a Photoshop template, or even a WordPress theme, I can also get it here. And it's a huge bonus to have everything in one place. It saves me both time and money. Overall, Envato Elements is an affordable source of unlimited creative assets, and I highly recommend that you give it a try. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. All of the links are in the description. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.